Ready to turn your Wix website into a buzzing hub of community interaction? First, head over to your Wix dashboard and click on Apps in the left-hand menu. Now, in the Wix App Market search bar, type in Chat to explore various chat applications. You can choose Wix Chat for a built-in solution, or explore other options like Mighty Networks, or even integrate external platforms such as Discord or Telegram depending on your community's needs and desired features. For simplicity, let's select Wix Chat. Click Add to Site on the Wix Chat app page. This will prompt you to grant the necessary permissions. Review the permissions and click Agree and Add to install the app. Now, in the Wix editor, you can customize the chat box's placement and appearance. Drag it to where you want it, and adjust the colors and design to match your site's branding. Dive into the Wix Chat settings panel to customize the welcome message, assign moderators, and most importantly, create specific chat channels or groups based on topics of interest to foster engaging conversations. Finally, preview your site to see the group chat in action, encouraging user interaction and building a thriving community directly on your Wix website.